La 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 la. Na 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 na. Hello. Guys. Guys. We are playing a different game right now. Pero, if you want to play something else, on the comment section, there is something else for you guys. Guys, laro tayo ng Call of Duty. Siguro naglaro ako nito mga 2000 ano pa. Ay, shit. Sige. Naglaro ako nito 2019 pero hindi ako ganyan ka magaling. Hello. Thank you. This is a different game. This is a hindi scatter to. Shout out. Gabi yung support ko doon. Hindi, ito trip lang. Wala magawa. Hindi tayo makatulog ngayon eh. COD. Yes. I've been playing this game since 2019 nung pandemic. Pero hindi tayo ganun kagaling. Pero malakas na tayo bumili ng item ba. Baka matalo ka agad tayo dito. Tagal ako hindi naka-play nito eh. Siguro last ko na play dito kaninang umaga. Sino naglalaro sa inyo guys dito? Naglalaro din ako ng mga to. Yung sikat, pinakasikat niya na game. Hindi ganun kaganda yung signal natin pero you know, try lang. Yung character ko is an Egyptian servant, but I have lots of characters din. Sa mga naglalaro ng Call of Duty Mobile, add me, Jet Sweater ang username ko. I've been playing this game since 2019, pero tignan nyo guys, ang signal very slow. Maxwid pa rin kanina, panalo ako, pero ang daming magaling guys maglaro. Believe ako sa mga co-Filipino natin, magagaling maglaro nito. Ay, naku po. Hala, wala akong kasama. 2-on-1 pala to. Spy tayo guys dito, spy. Okay, eto na. Let the game start. Screen record. Hala, paano to turn off the mic? Bahala na. Let's go! Sana manalo! Muntik na ako guys magsabi na 1,000 times. Maps. Dito tayo sa sayang. Dito tayo sa heat. Dito tayo sa heat para may helicopter. Let's see kung may kasabay tayo na jump. Wala. Medyo malaki na rin yung naubos ko dito, guys. Pero one of the relaxing game din to para sa akin. Call of Duty. Yan. Isa lang ako. 2-on-1. Oh my goodness. Di man ako ganito kagaling. Trip lang ba? Again, sa sumusuporta, thank you. Sana may mapatay ako dito kahit isa lang. This game is so nice. Very exciting. Nung hindi lumabas guys yung ano nga to? Nung hindi lumabas yung online gaming na scatter, ito yung pinaglalaroan ko, but I find it okay. Scatter is better. My may totoong ano eh, may ano nga to? May totoong nervyos tayo doon guys ba. Ito walang nervyos to kasi wala naman matatalo sa'yo. Like you're in a different world and acting like somebody else. So wala. Patay tayo. Ito na. Snowboard. Sino naglalaro nito? You know, I can't read your comments as of now kasi hindi ko ma-scroll down. But I can see a little bit. Uy, may kalaban. Sana hindi mag-lag. Shoot, 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 shoot.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Look at my skin. Pero walang ka-upgrade. Look at my skin. Pero pag may kalaban, wala din. Hindi din tayo ganun kagaling. Mas maraming magaling maglaro at mag-play nito. Yun. Yung. Guys, add nyo ako ah. Pero most of the time when I record, I don't really uy, fuck. Palit baril. Jump, 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 jump to the beat. Guys, add nyo ako ha. Username ko, Jet Sweater. Jet Sweater yung name natin pa rin dito sa COD. Been playing this since 2019. Nung pandemic, halos araw-araw. Oh shit, may kalaban. Oh my goodness.
Airdrop incoming.
Ayun, may airdrop na guys. Lipad tayo sa helicopter. Geronimo. Lipad and kuha ng drop. Okay, kunin muna natin guys yung drop. And then go back for upgrades. Shout out Kurt. Hello. Ito na. Sana walang kalaban at hindi tayo dead on the spot. Medyo lag din yung laro natin dito. Yung laptop, it's not as good as my desktop. Yun. Takbo and balik sa upgrade. Kayo na mag-invite. Then check ko mamaya and then you can personal message me na ano nga to? Na sa page ko kayo. And guys, one thing pala, when I play here, most of the time, kumukuha talaga ako ng mga airdrop kasi sayang yung mga binili ko na mga baril dito. Sayang yung mga binili kong baril dito pag hindi ako nag-loot. So yan. Yun, may drop. Favorite ko na gun dito is of course M4. M4 na bang bang. Tatlong drop talaga. Doon tayo sa pinaka-una. Or we can do okay na rin sa middle dito. Okay na rin tayo dito guys. Yan. Okay na rin tayo dyan. Jana, Jana. Majana, Jana. Very slow ng internet natin. Delay yung pagbigay ng live coverage, but sana naman manalo tayo dito. 2 versus 1 to, guys. Takbo and hanap ng magandang spot. Spy tayo, so we're not supposed to fight them necessarily, but hide tayo. Hide tayo dito. Yan, and abang-abang. Yan. Ito yung, ay shit, nasira yung helicopter ni Jet Sweater. Patay tayo ngayon. Yung tawag dito is camping. Wala akong pakialam kung sabihan tayo na camping. Importante, manalo. Kasi yung goal natin is manalo. Hindi pumatay ng marami. Pumatay ka nga ng marami pero talo ka naman. Wala. Parang sa sabong, puro sa'yo lahat. Puro manok mo lahat yung palo, pero puro ka naman patay. So, wala. May kalaban sa baba. Diba? Diba? Shout out. Mamaya na tayo mag-shout out kasi may kalaban. May kalaban. Wala. Computer siguro to, guys. Hindi ko maalis ang location eh. Excited na akong pumunta ng farm bukas. Lalagyan ko yung mga manok ko ng mga personal band ko. Ayaw pang magpapatay yung kalaban. Dito lang muna tayo magtatago. Magtatago.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Sana dito na lang yung safe zone. Nakita tayo ng swapang sa baba. Yan sa'yo. Ayop ka. You can't get me.
Be careful. A poltergeist is active.
Paano niya ako dito ako, hindi sila makakapunta sa taas. He better be careful. Not me.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'm just playing smart. Sana siya, guys. Oh shoot, where is he? Nagtatago din siya. Ayaw niya ring mamatay.
Airdrop incoming.
Oh shit, super layo. It's time to run.
Terminal is almost ready.
It's time to run. It's time to run. It's time to run.
The safe zone is collapsing. Airdrop incoming. Airdrop has been delivered.
Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh we are so dead. We are so dead. Oh, la 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 la. Someone is at our back. What the heck? No. Yon. Woohoo. Fuck.
Down to the last 5 teams.
Ito na. Hala, hala, hala.
Airdrop incoming. Terminal is almost ready. Airdrop has been delivered. The safe zone is collapsing. Warning. EMP drone has been deployed.
Ito na. Tago, tago time. Tago time.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Guys, sakit na masyado yung mata ko. Kita niyo yun guys sa baba.
The safe zone is collapsing. Be careful, the poltergeist is active. Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
Ha! We win! We won! We won! You see that? You see that guys? Panalo tayo. Nanalo po tayo. Number 1 out of I don't know, 6 kills tayo. That's why yung sabi ko guys, hindi padamihan ng patayan, pautakan. And you see what happened? We won. Alright, it's time to do some shout out. Shout out to Nick. Shout out to Kenneth. Shout out to me. Hindi tayo naka-auto aim. Hindi ako marunong ng advance aim. Sabi ko nga sa'yo, hindi tayo ganun ka, no? Galing. Okay, anyways, that was just a demo game. Thank you very much. Good night, everybody. That's Wetter signing out.